starting clean, building the dream with my own two hands. Rastafari vibration. Out with the old, out with the dust. In my own power, I put my trust. Cleared out the clutter, cleared out the room. Swept away the shadows with a brand new broom. Month of labor, sweat on my brow. But look at the space I'm living in now. I did it for myself, yeah, it feels so right. New wires humming, bringing in the light. New ceiling high, new paper on the wall. Standing in my kingdom, standing tall. It's a DIY renovation. Positive vibration, looking so cool, my own creation. The wires are in, the floor is brand new. Bright white ceiling, a better view. New furniture waiting, smooth and clean. The finest sanctuary I've ever seen. 30 days of work, now the work is done. Under the rhythm of the tropical sun. I did it for myself, yeah, it feels so right. New wires humming, bringing in the light. New ceiling high, new paper on the wall. Standing in my kingdom, standing tall. It's a DIY renovation. Positive vibration, looking so cool, my own creation. No contractors, no outside schemes. Just a man and the blueprint of his dreams. Every nail, every strip of glue. Self-made spirit coming through.